Roome E is a smart lamp that turns on and off by detecting your motion, and it also accepts control by hand gesture. Roome E works automatically from the moment you plug it in. It learns about you and improves over time. Roome E turns on automatically when detecting people entering the room, and turns off when it doesn't detect motion in the room. You'll never forget to turn the light off after you've read and fell asleep, because Roome E will automatically turn itself off when it detects you are asleep. It also allows you to select how much light they need through hand gesture. Simply move your hand vertically towards the light to dim it, and moving it away will brighten it. If you wave horizontally, you can turn it on or off completely. Roome E was also designed to protect your eyesight, and that's why it has no flickering LED, and supply just the right amount of light at the right intensity. Oh, one more thing. We know that most of us keep our smartphones near while asleep. Roome E gets one more feature for you. It has 2 USB charger ports at the bottom, so that your phone can be charged as you get a good night's sleep. To manage all Roome E lights in a centralized place, you can download Roome E app and control all your Roome E lights with it. Roome E is designed to be a great companion for your life. Support us today and help us share this project to your friends.
Nuamo is an intuitive and natural way to interact with your connected devices. Nuamo works with any Bluetooth device or application including Sonos and Philips Hue. Nuamo is a fully programmable controller and wireless, so you can take it anywhere. Using the Nuamo you can control all of your devices through our simple and seamless physical controller. Unlike the touchscreen, Nuamo has a number of touch-based inputs that feel familiar and suit your needs. It incorporates capacitive touch, gesture recognition and a 360-degree analog ring that gives you precise control over everything from the volume of your music to switching off your lights. These inputs are easily mappable to the devices and applications you care about most. The LED matrix on the face of the device lets you change apps quickly or display a time or app in the kitchen. We have built 30+ integration for Nuamo, and with our community of developers, that number is growing rapidly. Don't see the integration you're looking for? We are working hard to prioritize building the most suggested integration from our community to give Nuamo even greater versatility. Nuamo can connect to anything that uses Bluetooth Low Energy. This includes your computer and most connected devices. No additional hardware is required to connect to your smart devices. Nuamo is built on an open platform. This means that developers will be able to create even more integration with your favorite tapes and smart devices over time. Setup is simple through a smartphone or computer. Simply load on the applications you want for Nuamo and adjust the controls to suit your needs. Once setup is complete, you can switch through apps you're using right on the face of the device.
Nuamo is wireless, so it can go with you. It was designed to be beautiful and not only act as a seamless interface for technology but fit seamlessly into your home among your most treasured objects.
Hook is a device that connects inexpensive remote-controlled outlet adapters and bulb sockets to the internet. This enables existing appliances and lighting in the home like lamps, light bulbs, coffee maker, window fan, anything that is powered by electricity, to be controlled with your phone from anywhere in the world. These remote-controlled outlet adapters and bulb sockets are already commercially available. You can buy them today from Amazon, Home Depot, and Costco. They come with a remote control. An appliance plugged into the outlet or a bulb screwed into the socket can be turned on, off with press of the button on the remote. They are really inexpensive, often as low as $5 EA and pack of 5. They work on RF 315 433 of a megahertz frequencies and are not line of sight. Hook can make these outlets, adapters and bulb sockets smart. All you have to do is clone the remote control to the hook app once. It's fun. You can control the appliances and lighting, connected through the outlet adapters and bulb sockets, from anywhere in the world. Hook works with IFT, now if. Domus offers Wi-Fi controlled electricity sockets and infrared IR remote unit that enables you to remotely control and pre-schedule the activity of all your existing electrical appliances through a smartphone application. Domus will notify you if some of your home appliances are operating for an unusually long time. Get notified when you have left the space heater on accidentally. You can now prevent a horrible accident from happening. Domus does not just allow you to control your appliances, it actually communicates with them and lets you monitor your energy and carbon consumption so you can reduce energy waste. Domus can help you monitor your energy usage and calculate your electricity bill so you will know what appliances consume more energy than usual. Live a greener life while saving more. At the heart of Domus is a QCA 4004 full-featured, dual-band, single-stream 802.11b/n/g solution that serves as a highly integrated Wi-Fi link with an energy-efficient onboard power amplifier. Domus can operate in a pure hostless mode. The modular networking platform includes an IP stack and full networking services on the chip to enable backers to customize Domus to any Wi-Fi setting with minimal development effort or cost.
Hi, I'm Alex, and this is Branta. This little device has become a big part of my life, and it could work the very same way for you. Want to know why every home needs Branta? Branta turns your smartphone into a perfect remote that controls your TV, air conditioner, and heating system from anywhere. That means you can turn on your home heating in winter on your way home, prepping your house for a really warm welcome. In fact, you can prepare your entire home for your arrival, adjust the lights, appliances, and temperature with just a few clicks. Cool, huh? Don't you love kicking back at home with music streamed from your favorite audio services? We all do, but it comes with a few glitches. The smartphone speakers are too quiet and the Bluetooth speakers dies out if you leave the room or need to call someone. Stream music through Branta and it keeps on playing even if you leave the room or decide to call someone. When night comes, you can use Branta to stream a fairy tale to your child. Branta's soft light and soothing glow adding another layer of comfort and eliminating all fears of the dark. You can't be in two places at the same time, but when you have Branta, you actually can. Branta serves as your eyes, ears, voice, and even your hands that need to be there where you aren't. Keep an eye on your pet while you're at work. If your furry friend seems anxious, simply talk to him or turn on the Animal Planet. Put Branta in kids' room and you can hear your baby from anywhere in the house. You'll be able to keep an eye on your child even if he or she is moving around. Let's say an important meeting comes up and you have to participate, but you are hundreds of miles away. Put the meeting on Branta and you can actually be there. When we are on a business trip, it ought to be away from our families. Or at least it used to be without Branta. Branta goes beyond one-on-one video chat with a limited webcam angle. You can chat with an entire group thanks to Branta's special camera. And controlling the Branta camera is as easy and natural as moving your eyes and head. Full video communication was never so fun and easy. When you travel with your family, it can be difficult to find someone responsible for your house. Branta has you covered. Branta serves as your eyes and ears while you are away, instantly alerting you if something is wrong. Branta is equipped with a motion and suspicious sound detector that focuses the camera on the source of movement or sound and then sends you a photo notification. Branta's night vision feature ensures you can assess the situation in total darkness And if the power or Wi-Fi goes out, Branta will continue to work for an extended period, thanks to built-in battery and GSM module. Branta didn't happen overnight. We spent 3 years in development, experimenting with shape, materials of the shell, and testing various components. The end result is an effective system of data protection and mobile applications that is easy and amusing to use. We created Branta with love, and we are now proud of the result. You can use all these devices or one Branta instead. In November 2014, we presented a working prototype at Web Summit in Dublin, catching the attention of industry leaders. We were then selected by TechCrunch to participate in Hardware Battlefield 2015. I'll be happy to meet you at CES in Las Vegas. I'll show you how it works and even let you touch it. We are ready for manufacturing, but we need your support. Participate in our campaign to get Branta at the best price. Share and back our project so we can make your Branta. Welcome to the Branta family.